There is one question each and every buyer in Bangalore is asking right now. Not should I buy, it is where should I buy before rest of the Bangalore figures it out. And to make it real, Purvankara is here in Vajrahalli adjacent to metro station Thalagatta Pura, spanned across 3.6 acres with just 260 homes and 39 floors, one of the tallest buildings in Kanakpura Road. Because in Bangalore's real estate history, there have been a handful of moments, just a handful, where a corridor shifted, where early buyers locked in at one price and everyone who waited paid a completely different one. Whitefield was one of those moments, Sarjapur was another, and right now, quietly, without much noise, Kanakpura Road is having its movement. And within that corridor, something is coming that has genuinely never existed here before. Let's talk about Kanakpura Road because most people still don't fully understand what has happened here in the last 5 years. For a long time, this stretch was overlooked. People called it too south, too green, too far. But while they were dismissing it, the infrastructure was quietly arriving. The Namma Metro Green Line came and it doesn't just connect Kanakpura Road to the city, it connected it to MG Road, to Majestic, to the entire metro spine of Bangalore signal free in minutes. Then the Nice Road integration happened, giving residents direct signal free access to Tumkur Road and Hosur Road on the other side of the city. The Kanakpura highway itself was widened, the peripheral ring road is on its way, and now the announcement that changes everything, a new airport has been sanctioned in South Bangalore for a corridor that was already on the rise. This is a kind of infrastructure signal that rewrites property values permanently. And here's what the data tells you. Property rates on Kanakpura Road appreciated approximately 28% between 2017 and 2022, with a 12.5% jump in 2022 alone, outpacing the broader city. That was before the corridor fully matured. Properties within a 500-meter radius of metro station have been a 20 to 40% increase in value over the past few years, and that trend is expected to continue. Kanakpura isn't emerging anymore, it has emerged, and the buyers who are moving now are still catching the early wave. But here's what most people don't talk about, and this is important. Even as Kanakpura Road grew, one thing was missing. You had affordable housing, you had mid-segment gated communities, you had plotted development. What you didn't have was true luxury, the kind of high-rise, low-density, exclusive residential addresses that matches the lifestyle ambition of the buyers. This corridor was starting to attract people with the means to buy premium. Were still looking at Hebbal or Whitefield or the CBD because Kanakpura Road simply didn't have a product that spoke to them. Until now, what's coming to Vajrahalli on Kanakpura Road is unlike anything this corridor has seen. Two iconic high-rise towers, 39 floors each, one of the tallest towers in South Bangalore, rising above everything around them with views that stretch across Konakunti Lake and South Bangalore skyline. Corner flats take that further with a 180-degree panoramic view from the balcony, giving you Konakunti Lake on one side and the city on the other. But here's what makes this genuinely different from everything else in the market. Only 260 homes on 3.6 acres of land. Think about that, 3.6 acres, 260 homes, that's 80% of the entire land left as open space. That's not a speck on a brochure, that's a lifestyle decision. It means your building doesn't feel like a city block, it breathes. The residencies are 3 and 3.5 BHK, seized between 1950 to 2250 square feet, designed specifically for light, cross ventilation and privacy. These aren't homes you squeeze into, these are your homes you live in. Every unit is 100% Vastu compliant, built into design from the ground up, not retrofitted. For South Bangalore buyers, this isn't optional, it's expected. And the amenities, 50 plus curated lifestyle experiences across 30,000 square foot premium clubhouse. This is not a checkbox list. It is a full service lifestyle infrastructure built for the residents who choose to live there. Parking goes up to 6th level, so by the time you step out of your elevator, building is yours, all of it. The product is not yet launched. Now here's the part makes it more intentional and important. What that means is, in practical terms, in that right now you are in the rarest window in real estate, the pre-launch phase, the phase where pricing is at its floor, where you can choose your floor, your view, your stack before the public launch takes all that away. The expression of interest is just rupees 5 lakh. That's what it takes to get preferential allotment, to be at the front line when the project opens. Once this launches publicly, two things will happen simultaneously. The prices will move, the inventory will shrink, it always does. That's not a sales line, that's just how pre-launch real estate works. The people who act in this video are the ones who 5 years from now look back at this as the decision that made sense. Kanakpura waited a long time for a project like this, and this project will only be available at this price for a short time. If you have been watching this corridor, if South Bangalore has been on your radar, this is not a project to research later, this is a project to act on now.
If you love this property, don't forget to comment below and subscribe to Mani Consulting to get more real estate insights with us.